Hey everybody, today we're making some chicken thighs on the Weber kettle. Just going to get some charcoal ready here. I want to have a temperature of about 350 to 375, so I have about half to 3/4 full of charcoal here, using Kingsford today. I don't have my microphone hooked up, so hopefully you can hear me. So I'm going to get these lit up. Using some couple sheets of newspaper at the bottom, light this up. As far as the chicken rub we're doing, we're just using taco seasoning on it because these are going to be cut up and used for tacos later today. So wanted to use the Weber I got here, and once this burns up a little bit and gets ready, then we'll start that process. So we'll see in a little bit. Alright guys, we're up to temp, about 360 or so. I have the bottom grate wide open, and the top is right now wide open. So we're going to adjust that as we go. So first, I'm going to take these thighs and sear them, both sides, right over the coals. Baby ones. Again, the spices we're using on this today is just the like Ortega or somebody taco seasoning for chicken. So I figured take the easy way out. Let these sear up. Alright, now that we got that seared up a little bit, cover it up, got the holes wide open, and let it do its work here for, we'll check it another 20 or so minutes. We'll flip them. Alright, they've been on about 20 minutes or so. Still sticking between about 360, 370. Gonna flip these guys. I can smell them. They're smelling pretty good. All right. All right. These guys have been on for a while. I did lose some heat. So the last little bit of time here was probably around 300 or so, but I just probed some, the bigger ones. I actually probed all of them, and they're all over 165. Most of them right around 170 now. So taking them off, they're looking pretty good. They're pretty juicy. Oh, there goes one down there. So We're going to use these later on today. Tacos. Turned out pretty good.